guys are doing perfectly fine. Today I bring to you a recipe of classic creamy and smooth peanut butter. Usually we tend to go to supermarkets to buy the creamy peanut butter, which is high in fat and it has a lot of preservatives inside, and yeah, it's packed food. So why not try making this at home? It is easy and simple, just like this. So yes, do let me know how this recipe turns out for you at the end. And this recipe is a perfect recipe of peanut butter. Now with peanut butter you can make a lot of recipes. It's not a must that you just have to take the peanut butter just like that. You can make so many different recipes, but today I'm showing you how to make the peanut butter itself. Next on, I'm going to be showing you over 20 new recipes of peanut butter. Yes, so let's get started in making the creamy and delicious peanut butter. So to make the natural homemade creamy peanut butter, here I've taken 2 measuring cups of normal peanuts. These are raw, some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of peanut oil or groundnut oil, you can use any, and I have 1 tablespoon of honey. Now this oil and honey are completely optional. You can skip if you wish to. So yes, let's get started to roast these peanuts. So I'm taking a pan and I'm going to add the peanuts. Now I'm going to roast this on low flame. So I'm going to roast this dry roast. I'm not adding any oil or any ghee or anything, just on low flame. It may take a little bit of time while roasting this, around at least 7 to 10 minutes, but make sure you don't roast this on high flame. Don't roast them, just on low flame. So it's a recipe that is worth it, and this creamy peanut butter is very good for health, as you must be knowing that. And most of the people prefer buying this peanut butter ready-made. They don't feel like they should make it, but try making this recipe at home. So I'm going to keeping on to roast this. Roast it all the sides. Roast it very well on low flame. It is smelling so nice. The peanuts are smelling so good right now here. Wow, lovely. Okay, still 3 to 4 minutes I'm going to roast this. So these are toasted. They are completely toasted. I'm going to take this out. I'm taking this out in a clean napkin. So this is completely ready. Now I'm just going to wait 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to take the napkin together and scrub it. All the skin separates and it comes out, and what we are left it with is just the peanuts. So I'm going to take the corners of the napkin just like this, and I'm going to close it like this. This is my trick to get rid of all the skin. Now over here it's still warm, so closing it tight. So I've completely closed it tight. There we go. And then I'm going to rub it. I'm just going to rub it like this, slowly. The skin will get separated. So these peanuts are completely ready. I've gotten rid of the skin. Now we are going to blend it. I'm just taking a normal grinder and I'm going to add these peanuts inside, all of them. So first I'm going to pulse it for 5 to 7 minutes on high speed. So at this stage you can see it's turning a little bit of creaminess is coming. So I'm adding in some salt, just a pinch of salt. Next in I'm adding in some honey. Honey is optional, as I said, just to bring that little bit of sweetness. And I'm going to add in some peanut oil, just for that nice creamy texture. Now this also is completely optional. Again I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to pulse it till it becomes nice and creamy. So the peanut butter, I've grinded it. Let me show you guys how nice and creamy it is. It took a bit of time, a little bit of more time to grind it, but at the end the peanut butter is very nice and creamy. Look at the beautiful creaminess of this peanut butter. It's very nice. So this peanut butter is completely ready. I'm going to serve this, and I'm going to be preserving this for up to 3 months in the refrigerator. The wonderful peanut butter is ready. I'm going to close the lid tight, and I'm going to be storing this peanut butter for 3 months in the refrigerator. Now I'm sure that this peanut butter is not even going to last me a month, because I love having peanut butter. And stay tuned for new recipes in which I'm going to be showing you peanut butter recipes. And peanut butter is very healthy. It's a source of protein and it's very good for health. You should completely have it with roti or with bread, or you can just have 1 to 2 spoons of peanut butter daily. It's very beneficial. So this recipe is completely ready. Do let me know how it has turned out for you guys. Today I showed you a creamy peanut butter. Next time I'm going to be showing you chocolate peanut butter recipe. So stay tuned. Goodbye and see you in my next video.